Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this meat that is called polpettone in Italian. We're not going to be frying, we're going to be making this in the oven, so stay tuned. If ever I had a video. So guys, these are the ingredients. This is mixed meat, pork and cow meat together because they give a very nice flavor if you mix both together. I have garlic and I have salt, black pepper, egg, fresh potatoes and cheese. I will show you other ingredients as we go. All right, so I'm going to open that meat. The reason why I use both meat is because they give very nice flavor. If I don't know if I've said that before, but anyhow, just get that open. Now I'm going to add 1 clove of garlic. You can add more garlic if you want. All right, so after adding the garlic, I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients at description, so check them out. Okay, after adding the cheese, I'm going to add some salt. The cheese I added is parmesan. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit of black pepper. Mind you, for 500 grams of meat, please use 2 eggs. All right, I added extra egg of the camera. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything after adding all the seasoning. If you like parsley, you can also add parsley into this, but I don't really like parsley in meatballs, but they taste good as well. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to get rid of that fork and use my hand to get that mixed well. All right guys, I'm done, and now I'm adding the meat into oven pepper. Okay, this is totally optional. You can actually add this directly into the casserole. You just have to roll them. Okay, because this is called polpettone, which is a big meat ball. In case you don't know, polpetta is called meatball in Italian. Meatball is called polpetta in Italian, so this is polpettone, means big meatball. So I'm going to open them like that. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to add some filling. I'm going to be adding some salami. If you don't want to add salami, you can add any cheese of your choice. If you don't want to add cheese, you can skip this step. All right, but you can always have fun. You can as well add cooked egg inside, any filling of your choice. In this one, I'm using salami, so I'm going to add the salami. After adding the salami, I'm going to fold the meat. Okay guys, this is my casserole. I'm adding extra virgin of olive oil into the casserole because you don't want to add the meat on a dry casserole. By this time, my oven is always preheated at 180 degrees. Okay, so now I added the meat into the casserole. After that, I'm going to be adding the potatoes I sliced earlier beside the meat. Okay, after adding the potatoes, I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary, or you can add any flavor of your choice, and I'm going to be adding just a little bit of potato seasoning, not on the meat but on the potatoes. So now I'm going to place them in the oven, on my preheated oven, and allow them to cook for 40 to 50 minutes. Make sure you check them always. Okay, check them every 15 minutes or every 20 minutes to make sure that they are cooking very well. So here is the meat, guys. The meats are well cooked. delicious. The aroma that are coming out of it is something I don't know how to explain it to you guys unless you give them a try yourself. I wanted my own to be a bit crispy on top, and that is what I get. Okay, so now I added rucola salad called rucola, okay, in my plate, on my plate. Now I'm adding the potatoes. This served as second. Okay, so you can have fun with this. You can make this. Valentine is forthcoming, guys. Okay, you can make this for your loved one. This is delicious, guys. You don't need frying. You don't even have to add the filling inside if you don't want to add them. Okay, so I'm going to slice them. This is delicious, guys. You really need to give this a try. They are well cooked in and out. I just like how much crispy they are. And don't forget the sauce that came out of the meat and from the potatoes. I didn't show you guys that. Please don't get rid of them, because you're going to be sprinkling the sauce on top of that meat when you are enjoying everything together. They are so delicious together, so don't throw them away. Put them in a separate plate or just pour them on top of the meat, and you have fun with them. I hope you give this video a try. Thank you guys for watching. You will going to love it if you give it a try. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you all. Bye.